INO offers a complete range of MEMS and MEMS foundry services. Whether you need a very specific service or a fully integrated MEMS creation process, we have the expertise and resources to help you reach your goals and deliver results. Our MEMS foundry cleanroom facility is perfectly adapted to the processing of 100, 150, and 200 millimeter wafers. Let's have a look at some key tools that we use. To expose the photoresist on the wafers, we use a Canon Island stepper. This tool allows us to print on 200 millimeter diameter wafers patterns that are as small as 400 nanometers with 150 nanometers overlay accuracy. In macrobolometer fabrication, a key material is vanadium oxide. Its high temperature coefficient of resistivity at around 3% per Kelvin makes it an ideal material to sense small temperature variation. Our reactive sputtering tools deposit vanadium and vanadium oxide thin films on 150 and 200 millimeter wafers. It's almost the end of our fabrication line with the vacuum prober, which allows us to test our devices at wafer level under vacuum. This system was first developed for the characterization of infrared sensors before packaging. Only known good dyes will be sealed and integrated in our cameras. Our MEMS foundry service is extremely flexible thanks to our extensive experience in MEMS design and integration. The stability of our staff and processes are key factors in the continuous development of this expertise. Thanks to our close collaboration with specialized partners and in order to provide you with the best service, we have built a network of reliable suppliers ready to complement our skills and small-scale production capacity. To know more, don't hesitate to write us an email or visit our website at ino.ca.